Veterinary clinics are looking at how their practices operate. They have to change the approach, including staffing responsibilities and the role technology plays in the practice.
Testing for intestinal parasites is important. In the last 5 years, we have seen resistance in hookworms in canines. And we don't want to have the resistance issue that we have in large animals and antihelmintics repeat itself in small animals. And we want to be able to make sure that we test and treat only when we have parasitic infection in those animals. Itself, the techs that have to do the work, they're dealing with fecal matter. And it's not an easy test to be able to be done through manual methods. Several studies are out that have shown great variability on the results that are done by different technicians. And it takes, usually to do it correctly, usually between 15 and 20 minutes, and it's dedicated time by that technician that the technician can't do something else. And in very, very busy practices, that's a huge issue. So Parasight was born to be able to help techs be able to do their work and be able to have very, very consistent results and be able to treat in the practice within 10 minutes.
Instant digital fecals from Parasight System.
The Parasight System All-in-One is an AI-powered countertop lab for your clinic. This tutorial provides an overview of how to perform a fecal using the All-in-One. To begin, you will need a single-use fecal analysis kit. The fecal test kit contains a pre-filled centrifuge vial, a sample filter cylinder, and a single-use egg chamber. We will demonstrate how to perform a fecal test with both a 1 gram and a loop sample. For a 1 gram sample, use the reusable coring tool to collect the sample. Eject the collected sample into the pre-filled centrifuge vial. Attach the cap to the vial and shake vigorously. Place the vial into a counterbalanced centrifuge and spin for 1 minute. The same process applies to a loop sample. Collect a fecal sample using a loop tool and add it directly into the pre-filled centrifuge vial. Swirl the loop tool within the vial to release the sample. Secure the cap tightly and shake vigorously. Place the vial into the centrifuge and spin for 1 minute. While the centrifuge is operating, go to the Start New Test screen. Select the patient from the available list or enter new patient data if needed. Select species and then select the test to be performed. When ready, select Start Test. Remove the existing egg chamber when prompted, and then insert a new egg chamber. Remove the cap from the vial and insert the sample filter as shown. Attach the cap securely. You will see the filter has separated the sample for analysis. Pour the separated sample into the egg chamber. When ready, press Continue to analyze the sample. The on-screen prompts and progress meter describe the process of bleaching, washing, staining, and imaging the sample. When the process is complete, Fecal Sight AI technology displays the final results with a detailed fluorescent image highlighting parasites identified and counted. Results are displayed in less than 8 minutes from collection. Once displayed and reviewed, a treatment recommendation may be selected. Once selected, results are instantly sent to your clinic's Parasite portal and emailed to your client. Additionally, results are available as a PDF compatible with your PMS software. Parasight System All-in-One. Stop wasting time in your lab.
The clients that are presently using our machine are very excited about that because what it has done is it's really revolutionized how they treat now. They're able to treat within 10 minutes. So they treat the animal before the animal even goes back home, okay? They get a picture so they can have a great conversation with the animal owner about what parasitic infection is, why it's important to understand it, and why it's important to understand it in relationship not only to your animal, but also to your family, and that's what we're very excited to be able to provide.
You may find your current system hasn't kept pace. Outdated and expensive, that system may be at the root of inefficiency and performance shortfalls. You need a solution that positions your practice for the future. One that does more than digitizes your manual process, but measurably improves practice workflow and eases the strain on your staff.